jail to live another day.
We are pretty much done. He's laying the last couple of towels. I'm super excited. Y'all, look at him working like he's a professional. It's gonna look so nice when it's done. Now I just need to get a pool. Who wants to sponsor me a pool? Demaria, can you sponsor me a pool? We still have work to do, so you'll see a bunch of, small items out here, like, those things, but this is what he did, y'all. In my opinion, he did an amazing job, aside from the haze on the ground, but eventually I guess we'll get it off. I saw online where a lot of people were having the same issues, and these are people who use professionals and paid bunch of money to get it done. So I kind of feel okay because I'm like, he did a pretty good job. Yeah, my mom. Hey guys, good morning. It's Saturday. It's about 9:30. I juiced. Y'all saw that. I did my little morning walk in the backyard, and in the front I drank my little natural juice. So I got tickets to the Final Four. So the Final Four is kind of like the men and women basketball. So I got the tickets off Vetix, and Vetix is a platform for veterans and I think military members as well. So they can get tickets to concerts, they can get tickets to games or whatever, pretty much anything you can think of, comedy. But the caveat is, whenever you go through Vetix, it's kind of like a lottery. And so I think sometimes the tickets are not guaranteed. And you're pretty much gonna get like, you know, you're not gonna get the best seats. I like the best seats, but I'm not paying. So whatever I get, I'm gonna take. I'm gonna go today to see what that is looking like, because I'm a little spoiled, okay? But beggars are not choosers. I didn't get it for free per se because I paid like $11. And I think that covers like the 4 days because it's Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. So I'm gonna see what it's like today. This will be my first time going. I'm gonna see what it's like and I'll tell you guys about it, or you know, share snippets or whatever. But let's just get into it because I'm trying to get ready and I don't know why, but whenever it's time for me to go somewhere, suddenly I don't have any clothes. I know for sure I want to wear my these boots. I think I've only wore them like 3 or 4 times. So I want to wear them today specifically because it is, let me turn off the lights because I pay the bills, child. What was I saying? Yeah, I haven't worn that in a while and it's been raining. The weather is not the nicest, but the issue is finding an outfit to go with that. So we're gonna figure it out. I'm gonna get dressed and I'll see you guys once I'm done in 5 hours later, because I'm sure I'm gonna have issues finding something to wear. You running out of ish to wear, so our body will not appear. Alexa, play that song by Drake. I don't remember the name of it. Okay, so this is my drink, y'all. So refreshing. So this one is beetroot with, I didn't do this one on camera, but this one is beetroot, ginger, and I put like an apple in it. The one that I made on camera, I got that when I went to the spa, and I'm not sure if I had all the ingredients down pat, but that one I put beetroot, pineapple, melon, watermelon, a little bit of turmeric, something is missing, green apple, and I think that's it. It is so good and so refreshing, let me tell you. This is good, but that one is better in my opinion. But I'm gonna get ready, you guys. See you guys in a little bit. Sorry. Hey y'all, I'm dressed, okay? So nothing crazy, just a simple outfit. I did a little something on the face, as you can see. Pants and top from Aloe. And then my shoes is from Chanel. And then I have some little accessories, gold accessories or whatever. And then I have my shades for the haters. If you don't have haters, you ain't popping, girl. So yeah, this is her outfit. Nothing crazy. That is all. Let me go. I need to brush my hair, but my brush is in the car. But this is the outfit. All black. Men in black. Close the door. Grab the keys. Ensure that cause I'll be okay if I get one. If I had one wish, we would be best friends. Never, never had. It would just begin. Promise to love you. Trust you, I trust you. We run away. I was a baby. If I had one wish. It's make believe. We're going to the dome. Thank you, Jesus, for a beautiful day. Keep us safe on the road. Oh, stop! Who's calling my shit? Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that? Who's calling my? Is it Keisha? Baby girl. Baby girl.
Baby girl, let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. Shake and dance in the club with your homegirls. Take a pic for the
Y'all, I cannot get any parking at all. Like, I'm so far from the venue and I've been driving around downtown trying to get parking. No parking whatsoever. This is crazy. So I'll be driving around the whole day. I'm trying to park over Denny's. This is where we always sneak and park whenever we're coming downtown, but right now it's very difficult. It's whatever, I guess. I'm just gonna pay to park at this hotel that's charging $50, which is crazy to me, but at this point, yeah, I can't. So I'm just gonna pay. Crazy. Look at people. Why wasn't I thinking about this? Because I'm not a gator, I'm repping Houston. This is why I'm hot. This is why I'm hot. Y'all, I'm already tipsy and feeling good. We're about to have some lunchy on the water. It's so festive and nice today. I love it. I'm already tipsy from that one drink that I had, you guys. It is crazy. And at first when I tasted it, I was gonna tell the bartender that I wasn't tasting anything, but I was like, you know what, let me humble myself, because you know, you're a little auntie. Okay, so this looks nice, the white cosmopolitan. So I think I'm gonna go for that. But y'all, it's so fun and festive today. As you can see, everyone is out in their colors. Oh my God, the city should be this festive all the time. So I regret not coming yesterday or not starting the weekend from yesterday, because Final Four started yesterday. However, I didn't know that it was during the daytime. I thought it was in the evening. Today, I thought it was starting at 11 or 12 p.m. It's actually starting at 6 p.m. So I got a lot of time and stuff on my hands. So I've been walking, I've been day drinking. Y'all see all the shenanigans that's been going on. Don't come. Don't come out. Hey. Don't stop there and look. Help me now. Walk away. Y'all, I am tipsy. So tipsy. It's too early. Fire bomb, yeah. Inside? Oh, boy. Oh, well,